Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Want to scan a QR code directly from your Windows 11 laptop? Well, it's actually much easier than you might think. And the best part is, you don't need to install any special app. All right, let's go step by step. First, go to your Start menu and simply type Camera. Then open the Camera app. Good. Once the app opens, you'll notice a few icons on the screen. The first icon is for recording videos. The second one is for taking pictures. But that's not what we need. Our focus is on the third icon, the one that looks like a barcode. Go ahead and click on it. Perfect. Now your camera is ready to scan a QR code. At this point, all you need to do is show the QR code to your laptop's camera. Just position it clearly in front of the camera, and within a second, Windows will automatically detect and scan it. You see that? The information inside the QR code is now displayed. It could be a link, text, or any other data. For example, here you can see a link to my YouTube channel. You can copy it or simply click on it to open it directly in your browser. Just like that. Super simple. And that's how you scan QR codes on your Windows 11 laptop without installing anything. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and practical tech tutorials.